Number 1. Toshiba Microwave Oven. With smart sensor, easy clean interior, ECO mode and sound on off. 1.2 Cu.ft, black stainless steel. Pre-programmed sensor menu, for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Large digital display, easy to read control panel, glass turntable. 1 touch start popcorn, and 2 defrost settings custom or 1 pound auto defrost. Turntable diameter, 12.4 inches. Number 2. Panasonic Microwave Oven. Stainless steel countertop, built-in with inverter technology, and genius sensor, 2.2 cubic foot, 1250W. Panasonic Microwave. This 1250 watt high power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity, stainless steel countertop, built-in microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking, and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power, and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food, without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost, speeds up defrosting time. Number 3. Farberware Microwave Oven. 1.1 cubic feet. Stainless steel, countertop microwave oven. With 6 cooking programs, LED lighting, 1000 watts. Spacious and stylish, with 1 cubic feet of cooking capacity, a sleek stainless steel exterior, and stainless steel interior, and 10 power levels. This countertop microwave delivers power, style, and convenience to any kitchen. 6 cooking programs, auto cooking programs, popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, dinner plate. Provide convenient control, and avoid guesswork. Number 4. Amazon Basics Microwave Oven. Small, 0.7 cubic foot, 700W, works with Alexa. Now it's easier to defrost vegetables, make popcorn, cook potatoes, and reheat rice. With an Echo device, not included, quick cook voice presets, and a simplified keypad, let you just ask Alexa to start microwaving. Automatically reorder popcorn when you run low, and save 10% on popcorn orders enabled by Amazon replenishment technology. Compact size saves counter space, plus 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, a child lock, and a turntable. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven. With turntable push-button door, child safety lock, stainless steel, 0.9 Cu.ft. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage and dinner plate. 900 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. Large LED digital display, easy to read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, removable 10.6 inches glass turntable.